All right, what we're going to do to solve these problems is to divide. So all fractions mean divide, write the denominator outside. The denominator is 7 and the dividend is 3,024. 7 is a whole number. The decimal's already making it a whole number right next to that division line. So I'm going to go ahead and put that decimal up in my answer straight up so that I don't miss it. So now I'm going to divide. 7 will not go into 3, but 7 will go into 30 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, and I'll have 2. My next step is to bring that 2 down. I have 22 now. I can make 3 groups of 7 out of 22. 3 times 7 is 21. I'm going to subtract. Now I'm going to bring down that 4. Notice that I'm keeping all my digits straight up and down vertically. 7 goes into 14 twice. I can get 2 groups of 7, and that's 14 with no remainder. So for this answer is 432. For the second part B, I have 882 divided by 14. All fractions mean divide. Write the denominator outside. Let's write that fraction. 14 on the outside and 882 on the inside. 14 is already a whole number. The decimal's already next to the division line. Same with this one on the outside. I'm going to bring it straight up in the answer. Now I'm going to go ahead and divide. 14 will not go into 8, but 14 will go into 88 6 times. And so I'm going to multiply back. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6, 7, 8. And I'll subtract. I'll have left over with 4, bring down the 2. How many groups of 14 can I get out of 42? I can get 3 groups. So I'm going to multiply again. 3 times 4 is 12. And 1 more. 3 times 1 is 3, and 1 more is 4. And my remainder is nothing. So for part B, the answer is 63.